How to watch live football on YouTube TV on Roku. Step number 1. Install YouTube TV on your Roku device. From the Roku home screen, navigate to the Streaming Channels section. Select Search Channels and type in YouTube TV in the search bar. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results and click Add Channel to install the app. Step number 2. Sign into your YouTube TV account. Once installed, go back to the Roku home screen and open the YouTube TV app. Sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 3, navigate to live football games. After signing in, use the search function in the YouTube TV app to find specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections to discover upcoming or ongoing matches. You can also navigate to the sports tab to find live football games. Step number 4, start streaming. Select the game you wish to watch and it will begin streaming live on your Roku connected TV. Step number 5, adjust video quality, optional. YouTube TV generally adjusts video quality automatically based on your internet connection. However, if you experience buffering, you may be able to adjust the quality settings manually within the app settings menu.